Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to change your payment method on Vudu in 2025. Whether you're switching credit cards, updating your bank details, or just wanting to manage your account more securely, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Vudu is a fantastic streaming service for movies and TV shows, but like any platform, it requires keeping your payment info up to date. Stick around, and you'll be done in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Vudu account on a web browser or the app. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up, it's quick and free. Once you're in, head over to the account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's that simple. Next, look for the Payment Methods or Billing section. This might be under a submenu like Account Details or Subscriptions. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your current payment options. To change one, select the method you want to update or remove. For example, if you have a credit card saved, hit the Edit button next to it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Enter your new payment details, whether it's a new credit card, debit card, or even a digital wallet like PayPal. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any transaction issues later. Vudu might ask for verification, like a CVV code or billing address, so have that handy. After you've added the new method, save your changes. You'll probably get a confirmation message on screen. Test it out by making a small purchase or just checking your account summary to ensure everything's working smoothly. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, like payment declined, make sure your card is active and has no restrictions. Vudu's Help Center is also a great resource for troubleshooting. And remember, keeping your payment info current helps prevent surprises during your next movie night. There you have it, folks. That's how to change your payment method on Vudu in 2025. It only takes a few minutes and keeps your streaming experience hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.